carpets are coming up. We're just leaving the carpets down while the guy's doing his plaster and painting. He has his floor protection. He wants to save the hinges. We don't have time to unscrew them. Just leave that little piece of door attached. Here's the job coming to an end. Wayne's putting the tools away. He's doing a quick sweep up. Make everything nice. Bathroom. That's where the tub was. There's all the plumbing pipes cleaned up. Floors remaining. Remove the doors. They're installing new doors. We removed the floor moldings and we're just doing a light sweep and calling an end to the job.